In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your Balsamiq mockups into a PDF. Whether you're preparing to share your projects with colleagues or archiving them for future reference, converting your designs into a PDF is a straightforward process. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your internet browser. This can be any browser you normally use, like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. In your browser's search bar, type in Balsamiq and hit Enter. This will bring up a list of search results. You're aiming to click on the top result, or the one accompanied by the URL balsamiq.com, which is the official website of Balsamiq. Once you're on the Balsamiq homepage, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the Log In button, usually located in the top right corner of the site. Click on it, and you should be prompted to enter your login details. Fill in your email address and password that you registered with, and click to proceed into your account. After logging in, navigate to the project you wish to export. In the main menu, you'll see an option labeled Project. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu. Here, find and select Export. It's worth noting that if you're using the Balsamiq desktop application instead of the web version, you will need to click on File, followed by Export, to reach the same destination. You'll now see an export dialog box in front of you. This box is where you'll select the format you want to export your project. Balsamiq offers several options, but for our purposes, you'll want to select PDF. This step is crucial because PDFs are widely used and ideal for sharing across different platforms without compromising the design's integrity. Deciding what to include in the PDF is the next decision you'll need to make. Balsamiq gives you the flexibility to export all wireframes in your project or only a particular subset. Consider who the PDF is intended for and what information is necessary for them. Selecting specific wireframes might be a more streamlined approach if only parts of your project are relevant. Once you've chosen your export preferences, look for the Export button in the dialog box and click it to initiate the process. You'll then be prompted to choose a location on your computer to save your new PDF file. Select a destination that you can easily access later and hit Save. And there you have it. Your Balsamiq wireframes are now exported as a PDF and ready for sharing or safekeeping. Thanks for watching and happy designing.